fact that Theo was still fighting me and Parrot was nowhere to be found was starting to get a little suspicious, as well as I'm really starting to run out of items now, so I decided that I was just going to leave.
Unfortunately, this is going to be the end of your fake identity, Wemmbu.
So what makes you so confident that I won't just kill you now?
I mean, you're technically right. If I didn't bring a little friend. Flame, you want to come out?
Hello there, bro. It's good. So, Wemmbu, how's it going, man?